Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free right on the website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website name is Feyorra, and in here, if you new in here, just click register. You can register yourself just putting your email, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account. I have already account. Just I put my email and password and just solve a capture and just click login to show you how you can earn from this website, and this website pay you or not. Okay, just wait few seconds to redirect you to your dashboard. And this is the website. This website pay you just Feyorra. Okay, every one coin equal to 5 satoshi of Feyorra. This website pay. The first earning way is the manual faucet. The manual faucet is one of the best way you can earn much more Feyorra every 0 minute, and you can easily just solve this capture is a recapture. Just click it, solve it, and then solve a hand capture. It's too easy to solve the hand capture. It's a 3 and a 5, and come down, just collect your reward. This website pay you your satoshi instantly to your balance, and every 30 seconds you can claim again. The next way is a auto faucet. For auto faucet you need energy. How you can earn energy? Go to short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn this much energy, and you can easily make some much more coins and energy from here too. The next way is a task. I didn't know the task available. No task available because this was a new website launch it. The next way is a PTC has. No PTC has for right now because this website is a new. But in here I have this much coin. I just click withdraw. Just click the faucetpay coin, and I go to my faucetpay. Go to link it, copy my Feyorra wallet address from here to show you this website pay me my amount or not. Okay, this is the website. Just paste my wallet address in here and just click withdraw. Okay, and you can see this website pay you instantly to your faucetpay without any timer, without any seconds. You can easily make your free Feyorra from this website, and just wait few seconds to show you the withdrawal proof. And you can see I received this much Feyorra from that website. This too easy to earn from that website, and this is one of the new and best website you can earn your free Feyorra. And if you claim a lot of manual faucet, you can easily make much more Feyorra from this website. Okay, this website pay you this much Feyorra every 30 seconds, and 100 time 100,000 time claim per day, and okay, 100,000 time claim per day equal to this much Feyorra, and is just this much Feyorra daily. You can very easily earn from just solving this little capture is a 5 10 5 1, and just solve the capture and just click your reward. You can easily earn 5,000 500 Feyorra from this website. It's too easy to earn, and that's the best way about this website because this is a new launching website. You can claim much more Feyorra. Thanks for watching guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and bye bye for now.